I don't know how to speak English.
In the cook?
What?
Oh my God!
Wow!
In the cook. Bakit ate? Ano bang lulutuin mo?
Kaning baboy.
Ha? Always baboy?
Wala naman baboy.
Ha?
Wala nang baboy.
No more baboy?
No more.
Oh, ano na lang
No
yung ulam?
more chicken.
No more chicken,
baboy.
no more baboy. There I have a beef.
And may sardinas.
Ay! Ay! Ako gusto ko sardinas.
This one is the tuna.
Where is the tuna?
In there.
Ay, very good. Nadali mo ate. Ano?
I'm your idol.
Oo, idol na kita ngayon ate. Ang galing-galing mo mag English.
I'm your idol Edmar TV.
O sige ate, invite mo sila. Subscribe my channel. Dali.
Subscribe my channel Edmar TV.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Subscribe.
Oh no, 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 no! Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.